EU international trade to Roro Italian flag to Embark 1117. Many merchant marine seafarers, officers, ratings, catering are sailing around the planet, and they are really plummeting. Yes, indeed. They are thinking, what am I doing here, traveling so far away from home, whilst I could be sailing from Barcelona, Valencia to Italy, and on board the Roro, 37,000 tons, 67,000 tons, Italian flag, 2,850 euro AB, certified 2.4 and 2.5, and then 5,000 euros net netto, 7,007 engineers, 4,800 third engineers. And I could be sailing very close to my house, state-of-the-art ships. Mediterranean trade is very quiet, very flat, not many waves around. Sometimes they do get very bad indeed, and the weather is nice. Italian crew always smiling, not like these people up north, and never smile, never understand the joke. And the food, Italian food, imagine being on board cappuccino, coffee, very good indeed. And this is a company with 22 Roro Italian flag. Yes, very important family company like Candina. We are a family, yes, we are a big family, and we want you to join, because if you are in international waters, South Pacific, North Atlantic, and you really want to join and disembark in Barcelona, Valencia, or in Italy, West Coast, very close to your family if you are from Croatia, Romania, Spain, Portugal, France, Germany, Holland, and so on, then think about applying Crew Inspector very urgently. Like and subscribe and pass through all the social media groups and schools you might have, because perhaps you think the wage is not so big, but perhaps some people think that you might have the biggest millions and billions, but perhaps you don't know how to serve. What an issue. Or perhaps you cannot be with your family 6 months per year, or perhaps the day you disembark you can be with your kids for the birthday and these activities, family activities. And perhaps some, I don't know about you, but I really put in the balance the family and the peace and being close to the loved ones, and of course it's a huge gap. What is money worth? Think about this proposition if you are sailing under international ships in international waters, and think about being closer to your family. Thank you. Bye.